How to use Regions Bank budgeting tools online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to manage your money smarter, well, let's explore Regions Bank online budgeting tools. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, from your main dashboard, you simply have to head to Insights or Budgeting Tool section. And there you can link your checking savings and even credit card accounts to see all your spending in one place. And there you can use the spending trackers to categorize your expenses like groceries, dinings, or bills so you know exactly where your money is going. Now, next you can set monthly budget for each category with a tool that will automatically compare your spending against your limits. And you can also set saving goals like building an emergency fund or planning for a vacation. And regions will track your progress in real time, giving you tips to stay on target. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.